comes Charlie Glenn.
140.
All right, all four boats are up and running.
130.
Slow boat going into the left-hand turn, guys. Watch out for the slow boat. Trying to get it up on plane.
120.
Pushing a bunch of water, that boat is. There it goes. It broke free.
110. 1 minute. 55. 50. 45.
Dead boat, middle of the backstretch, about lane
40.
4 or 5. Pick up that dead boat.
35. 30. 29. 28. 27. 26. 25. 24. 23. 22. 21. 20. 19. 18. 17. 16. 15. 14. 13. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The maroon boat is over by 2 boat lengths. Pick up that dead boat. So your lead boat is Mike Cathy in the Evergreen Roofing. Don't forget the dead boat. Second place is the Oli Beer.
Yeah, I didn't think that.
Dead boat, excellent. The back. Dead boat, lane 1, entering the right-hand turn. So, co-drivers pick those up. Your lead boat is... There you go, Charlie. Your lead boat is still the Evergreen Roofing. Two down for Mike Cathy. Don't forget the dead stuff out there. There you go. This will be 2 down for Charlie. 3 down for Mike Cathy. Last lap for the Evergreen Roofing. And this will be the last lap for the well-painted boat. What are we calling that boat? Lauterbach Special, okay. Finish for Mike Cathy. And this will be a finish for Charlie in the Lauterbach Special. You can cut the course and bring it in.